Hello everyone! Welcome to my kitchen! Today I'll be showing you how to transform this raw shrimp into a succulent, delicious appetizer. Shrimp cocktail is a wonderful dish to serve at parties or other occasions. It seems like it's always the most popular and the first to run out. Here I have 2.5 pounds, which is 1 kilo of frozen shrimp. You can use fresh shrimp if it's available, but frozen packages are usually more convenient. These are already deveined and have heads removed. The tails and the shells are still on though. That's good because shells preserve the flavor and color during poaching. If you need to devein your shrimp, simply run scissors from the top to the tail and then pull out the black string. With frozen shrimp, we first store them in a bucket of room temperature water for about 20 minutes. While they are thawing, let's prepare a cold bouillon. A cold bouillon is a flavor broth that is used for poaching food. It usually cooks up in a shorter time than a soup stock. The basic ingredients are usually salt, peppercorns, bay leaves, and lemon. But you can use as many seasonings as you like, according to your taste. First, bring to a boil 5 quarts, which is about 5 liters of water, or at least enough to cover the shrimp. The seasonings I'm using today are salt, peppercorns, chili flakes, I like it spicy, a handful of celery, 2 bay leaves, rosemary, spring onions or regular onion, and lemon rinds with the juice squeezed out. Set the lemon juice aside for now. Simmer on medium heat for about 30 minutes. Alright, our broth is ready. We'll remove the vegetables and lemon rinds. If you have this type of large strainer, use it. Otherwise, just drop the shrimp straight into the pot. And now is the time to add the lemon juice. It gives the shrimp a pleasant smell and also makes it more flavorful. The citric acid tends to cook away with time, so adding it last makes it more effective. Cover the pot and cook for 2.5 minutes. Never leave it more than 3 minutes. If overcooked, shrimp becomes leathery and less tasty. After 2.5 minutes, turn off the heat. Immediately remove the shrimp from the pot and quickly put them in an ice water bath to stop the cooking process. Leave them in for about 3 minutes. Finally, peel off the shells but leave the tails on for visual effect. As you see, shells come off easily. Chill in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. Next, let's make a cocktail sauce. We can't have shrimp cocktail without that, can we? So, to make the sauce, you need 1.5 cup of ketchup, 3 to 4 tablespoons horseradish, 4 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We'll give this a good stir so that everything is blended evenly. That's it! How easy that was! Now let's move on to the fun part, plating. We need to keep the shrimp fresh and crisp, so fill a large shallow bowl with ice and put a platter above it. Use a dish that will keep the shrimp above the ice. First, put the cocktail sauce in the center. Line the platter with lettuce, add some lemon wedges, arrange shrimp around the platter. Go around the platter until it's filled. Add a few more lemon wedges on top. I like to drape a few shrimp on the sauce cup to make it more tempting. Doesn't this look appetizing? Enjoy!